So we're going to go over the incline hip external stretch or incline pigeon. So for this, we're going to require a bench that we can incline here. Now we can set it up to different angles. The lower it is, we're going to have greater ranges of hip external rotation. The higher up it is, if we're limited, that's the starting position that we're going to utilize. Our setup, I'm going to place my foot here in between the seat as well as the upper surface of the bench. Usually that gap will create a nice wedge for the foot itself to plant into. I'm going to look for an alignment of the knee in line with the hip here and creating a 90-degree bend. For that trail leg, I'm going to plant my ball of the foot onto the ground, and that heel will be elevated, and then I'm going to start with a nice and tall upright chest and torso. From here, I can bend that back knee to get into a little bit of deeper hip flexion, and then I'm going to imagine there's a string attached to my sternum, and that is going to pull me directly forward, allowing me to bring my chest over that front leg and thigh, generating a line of pull and stretch on that back hip capsule. Once I find my desired stretch and tension, I'm going to maintain that position here for the prescribed duration. As we hold this position, focus on slowly breathing in through the nose and then creating a nice and easy exhale out from the mouth that allows us to just maintain a more relaxed state during the stretch itself. As we exhale and throughout the duration of the stretch, if we want to access a little bit more range of motion, just continue to imagine that string pulling us a little bit deeper into that stretch. As I do so, I don't want to push my knee forward and don't want to create too much pressure in the knee. I want to maintain that line of pull through the back of that hip and hip capsule joint. Once we're done, press out and then switch to the opposite side.